Hello guys, welcome to the magical Masai Mara National Reserve. Welcome to Jera's Bush Life.
In the heart of the African savanna, a mother lioness lounged contentedly with her newborn cubs, their tiny bodies nestled close to her for warmth and safety. The golden sun cast a warm glow over the tall grasses, creating a peaceful scene. Suddenly, the ground began to tremble. A distant rumble grew louder, and the lioness's ears perked up. Emerging from the trees was an enormous bull elephant, its eyes filled with rage. The elephant charged towards them, trumpeting loudly, its powerful feet pounding the earth. Instinct took over. The mother lioness nudged her cubs, urging them to run. She led them into the tall grasses, her heart pounding as she glanced back to ensure they were all following. The grasses swallowed them up, offering a fleeting sense of security. The elephant reached the spot where the lioness and her cubs had been moments before. It swung its trunk wildly, searching for any sign of the intruders. But the lioness had chosen her escape path wisely. The dense vegetation masked their scent and muffled their sounds. The lioness guided her cubs deeper into the grasslands, their little legs struggling to keep up. She remained vigilant, her keen senses alert to any hint of danger. Finally, they found a secluded spot, hidden from view and safe from the elephant's wrath. As the sun began to set, the lioness curled around her cubs, providing them warmth and comfort. The threat had passed, and they were safe for now. The savannah, with all its beauty and peril, continued to be their home, a place where every day was a testament to survival and the bond of family.
We have a hunt. কথা বলো না, কথা বলবো না. We have a hunt here. Two lionesses have caught a wildebeest. We have a hunt right in front of us. Oh my